As you can see, there's screws here, and you can see my stud. Here's the stud finder, right on the screw. You know, go right below it. Screw there, it catches. So easy, so simple. This stud finder is called the Stud Buddy. There's other stud finders magnetic like these on the market. This one, I think I paid maybe $10 over at Home Depot. Had it for probably a couple of years now, and I use it everything. Look how easy this is to use. Just back and forth. It catches, there's a stud here. It catches again and again. I will have a link to this down below in the description. If any of y'all are interested in getting one, I highly suggest getting this.